The Lord be with you. Good day, everyone. Today is first Friday of the month of June, and every first Friday we dedicate that to the most sacred heart of Jesus. Let us consecrate our heart to the sacred heart of Jesus, so that in the same way that Jesus Christ loves all of us, we may have the same kind of love for our brothers and sisters. In our gospel for today, Jesus restored Peter in his love. He asked Peter 3 times, "Do you love me?" For asking thrice, Peter was a little bit irritable because he said, "Lord, you've been asking me. Why don't you believe me? You know that I love you." But Peter didn't realize that he was actually being restored in the love of Jesus by the fact that he denied Jesus 3 times. In the gospel, it was mentioned that Peter would suffer so much. Probably you have seen many comments in the Facebook wherein they were saying that the Pope was Antichrist because of the inverted cross. They didn't realize that the inverted cross was actually referring to the cross of Peter, because Peter was crucified, but he realized how undeserving he was. That's why he said, "Let me be crucified upside down," because he was not worthy of dying in the same way that Jesus died. He felt so loved. The overwhelming love of Jesus for him was so much that he didn't find himself worthy of that love. And so if you feel and you realize the overwhelming love of God for you, do not simply say, "Lord, I love you," but rather let us put into action the love that we have in our heart. The same thing in your love for your brothers and sisters, for your family, for your wife, for your children, for your parents. Do not simply say you love them. Put into action the very words, "I love you," so that we can be truly like Jesus, like the Sacred Heart, loving, even if that would mean great sacrifice.